Did you tell him?
Yes, it's coming.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Do I intend to tell you that next week?
Interesting.
That's okay?
Yeah, that's good.
You called me, sir.
Hello, yeah, I did. Please come with the chair. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Aloy,
Sir.
on my wife's suggestion, yeah? I have decided not to wait until that 3 months I told you, or I gave you to make up your mind on what you want to do for a living before I engage you into some type of income generating activity.
That's exactly what I wanted, sir. Thank you.
That's great. My wife told me you once worked as an assistant manager of a hotel before you left the country. Is that true?
Yes, I did.
Brilliant. You see, my hotel manager just secured a job in one of these new generation banks. How about you take over from him? For a salary of 200,000 naira every month. Is that okay?
What? Me? Yes, I will. Thank you, sir. Yes, I will do the job. Thank you. Nelly, you are such an angel as a sister. Thank you for suggesting this.
You're welcome. You meant the whole word to me. Oh, I meant to say you and my husband meant the whole word to me. Anything for you.
Listen, congratulations, okay?
Thank you, sir.
All right, welcome.
May God continue to bless the two of you.
Amen.
May all your heart desires be granted. Amen. I'm sure our mother will be so happy wherever she is right now.
This is just the beginning, though.
Congratulations, right?
Thank you, sir.
That's who she is. Oh, a green snake in a green grass.
So dangerous.
That's who she is.
So dangerous.
That's who she is. Oh, a green snake.
So, Aloy, you said you're good to go, yeah?
Yes, sir. This very minute, sir.
That's great.
Thank you so much for the job.
You're very welcome.
I must add that your hotel is really in a class of its own. It's top notch.
Thanks for the compliments. I actually have something like this in Port Harcourt, you know?
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
You are way more successful than your humble way gives away.
Thank you once again. You see, I tell people that we are nothing and we can achieve nothing without the mercy of God. That's my life's philosophy, though. And I strongly believe that success is noiseless.
I like that. Success is noiseless.
So, like I said, you'll be living and working here, okay, until we find a good house for you. But for now, this is your room, okay? So good luck in the job.
Thank you very much, sir. God bless you. Thank you. I promise I won't disappoint you. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
That's right. Hey, babe.
Yes, honey.
Let's leave him to unpack, okay?
Yes. Honey, I'll meet you downstairs, okay? Just give me a few minutes with my brother for some serious talk.
Oh, okay, that's fine. I'll be downstairs, okay? All right. I'll just wait for you.
Yes.
All right.
Don't tell me you engineered all of this.
I did. Raymond may be deeply trusting of me, but he's anything but a dons. Damn it. We're so lucky the last time. And I didn't want to stretch that luck any much longer by having you under our roof. So I had to come up with this idea of job and having you move in here. With this, we will not just have unlimited freedom to screw each other without the fear of being caught by him. And also, I know you'll be making so much money in here. Hope you like that.
I love it. I was even going to suggest something like this to you.
Oh, wow. No, you are so sweet, Dad. Anything for you, baby. Anything for your sweet.
She pretends a lot, lies a lot, so full of deceit, claims to be so nice, but in the inside, she's the devil you see. She lives a fake life, all her smiles. Where are you, God? God of the poor, she won't begin.
Hi, Eric. Auntie. Here you are. Your admission letter from University of Malaysia.
Ah, thank you very much. Thank you, Mother.
Auntie, thank you very much, ma. God bless you.
Come on, get up.
Thank you so much.
It's nothing.
Okwezioku. Hey, Jim. Thank you very much.
Honor her. You have to get him ready. In a day or two, we'll be traveling to Abuja to process his visa.
Chinekeme, are you the one you? He's ready.
Are you sure?
Even now. Are you not ready, my boy?
Papa, I'm ready. I'm very much ready, ma.
Sure?
Yes, ma.
Very well then. So, what do I offer you?
Anything, my dear. Anything.
Anything?
Yes, anything.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Excuse me.
All right.
I'll be back in a bit.
Tomorrow, God come. Wickedness of man have taken us.
See that for yourself, sir.
Sorry, sir. What? My goodness! Nelly, so this is true! Nelly! The porter was right after all. You have been cheating on me. Nelly, you have been sleeping with your brother. And you bastard! You have been sleeping with my wife in my own hotel!
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
For how long has this been going on? Wait! Who's this guy really?
Baby, go get the key from the fat idiot and lock the door. Okay. Dress up.
Keep watching.
If you move, I will shoot you. Dress up, hurry up. Baby, hurry up.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Get it!
Idiot. Go down. Your own case go dey different.
Come here. Come. Oh, come. You deserve some alcohol. Come. Oh! Idiot! And you? You really want to know who Aloy is and how long he's been scrolling me? Such a fool. You want to know who he is? And for that you hired this miserable idiot to spy on me? Well, Aloy here, the sugar boy. Baby. Aloy here is not my brother. All that was an elaborate lie that we made up to bring ourselves within easy reach of each other. He has in fact been my boyfriend since I met him after leaving secondary school. I have not loved any other man but him. I met you, I seduced you, and agreed to marry you based on a plan we both had. A plan to get into the heart of your business and dupe you huge amount of money. And elope to Canada and get married. We almost succeeded. And...
What are you talking about? Nelly, do you realize you're speaking to your husband? Your lawfully wedded husband of 8 months?
Baby, my husband. Oh, my husband. Oh, my husband. Their husband of 8 months. You are just a fool! He's even more useless than I thought. Oh, hubby. Have you ever wondered why this beautiful woman here has never taken in for you? Don't worry about that. I'll help you. I have. Oh, come on. I have taken in for you 3 good times. But I had them aborted.
What?
I can't imagine my beautiful self carrying and giving birth to a child of a man I never loved. That's ridiculous. You're losing it. You're so senseless. You fool! Oh, baby. You know I love you so much.
And I love you too, baby.
You're so sweet. But anyway, don't worry about that. Worry about what becomes of you and this animal henceforth. You're such a fool. Because my baby here, this sweet dick here, this man after my heart, we both has gone far to watch you stand by and destroy what we have. I won't let that happen. Baby, can you please give me my phone?
Sure.
Oh yeah.
Here, baby.
Nelly, what are you trying to do? Who are you calling? Are you trying to kill me?
Hello, Dunga. Oh yes. Aloy and I have an urgent work for you and your guys. Yes, can you please come over to the hotel right now? Oh,
In a green grass, that's who she is.
to my heart. We both has gone far to watch you stand by and destroy what we have. I won't let that happen. Baby, can you please give me my phone?
Sure.
Oh yeah.
Here, baby.
Nelly, what are you trying to do? Who are you calling? Are you trying to kill me?
Hello, Dunga. Oh yes. Aloy and I have an urgent work for you and your guys. Yes, can you please come over to the hotel right now? Oh, God.
In a green grass, that's who she is. That's who she is. Oh, a green snake in a green grass. That's who she is. That's who she is. Oh,
She pretends a lot, lies.
Oh, I guess you like it in here.
Nelly, you used thugs to push your husband into the trunk of a car. And those bastards drove for over 4 hours. With me inside that Halloween space, without a care if I suffocate to death or not. What have I done to you? Have I wronged you? You have no conscience?
You hired that stupid porter to spy on Aloy and I, and you...
I didn't hire anyone to spy on you. Besides, I never had any reason to think you were cheating on me. The young man was just a man of conscience.
That was a stupid conscience he had then.
He had? Did you just speak about him in past tense? What have you done to that innocent boy?
He was not innocent. When he chose not to mind his damn business, he became guilty as hell. He sentenced himself to death. And by so doing, Nelly and I have no regret supervising Knwng and his boys carry out the execution about an hour ago.
Nelly, he did what?
The fool's corpse is now resting at the bottom of River Niger with a brick tied to it.
Jesus.
Oh, please shut up. Shut the fuck up. Sign this check if you don't want to suffer the same miserable fate. Huh?
Nelly, this is a check to my business account. What are you up to? Both of you.
Very simple. We are going to leave the country immediately, fly to a foreign land and start our life all over again.
You heard him right, Raymond. The amount on that check is 676 million naira out of 678 in the account in question, and it is in my name. Sign the check. Aloy?
Yes, baby.
Please untie his hand so you can sign the check.
Sure.
Don't bother, you swine. I'd rather die than allow you devils have a pin of my asset.
Oh, no, baby. You don't have to waste your energy on him. Okay? You have better things to do with your energy.
Baby, this fool is insulting us and wasting our time.
No. We have more time to spare than he can ever waste.
But she chose to break it. I gave her all my trust. and she betrayed my trust. Though I'm with someone, and yet I am lonely. What have I done wrong to deserve this? Is it a crime to fall in love and maintain that love? Is it a crime to show someone how much you love her? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Someone please tell me. I gave her my heart, but she chose to break it. I gave her all my trust, and she betrayed my trust. Though I'm with someone.
Mama! Mama! I made it! I made it! Are you serious? I made it! This is my passport! I made it! See, they gave me my passport. Look at it! I made it! Mama, I'm so happy! Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm so happy. My God will bless you. Hey, Chiwo.
Thank you, ma.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you, ma.
Thank you very much.
Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Mama.
It's a crime to show someone how much you love her. Is it a crime? Is it a crime?
Dunga, please. I'm dying. Help me. Dunga, please. Save an innocent man. I beg you. 5 days without food. And barely 24 hours without water. I can't stand it all. I can't stand it. Please, help me. Help an innocent man. I know you can hear me. I know you and your boys can hear me. Please. I don't want to die. Dunga, I don't want to die. Half a glass of water will do. Please. I'm thirsty. I need to drink water. I need to drink water. Half a glass of water will do. Listen. I can buy water. I can buy the water, please. Dunga, please. 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 Dunga. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Please. Dunga. 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 Please. I can pay for half a glass of water. Huh? Please. I'll give you 50,000. Knwng, I'll give you 50,000. For half a glass of water. Please. I need to drink some water. I'm thirsty. I'm going to die if I don't drink water. Please. Knwng, please. Okay. I want to buy it. I want to buy water. Listen, I can pay for water. Okay, I'll give you 100,000. Knwng, I'll give you 100,000. Please, give me water to drink. I can pay 100,000 for half a glass of water. Knwng. Okay. I'll give you 1 million. Knwng, please. I'll pay 1 million naira for half a glass of water. Please. I need to drink water. I don't drink water. I'm going to die. I'm thirsty. Alright, 2 million. 2 million for half a glass of water. Please. Knwng, 3 million. 3 million. Give me half a glass of water for 3 million. Please. I just want water. I can't even pay 4 million. 4 million, Knwng. I'll pay you 5 million. Talk to me, Knwng. Stop ignoring me. I'll give you 5 million. Damn it! Shut up! I can't shut up, Knwng. I just need water. Please. I want to die.
Alter another wall, and I'll come in there, cut your finger, and force you to drink your garden trunk and quench your garden thirst. Just another word. One word.
But she chose to break it. I gave her all my trust, and she betrayed my trust. Though I'm with someone, and yet I am lonely. What have I done wrong to deserve this? Is it a crime to fall in love and maintain that love? Is it a crime to show someone how much you love her? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Someone please tell me. I gave her my heart, but she chose to break it. I gave her all my trust, and she betrayed my trust. Though I'm with someone, and yet I am lonely. What have I done wrong to deserve this? Is it a crime to fall in love and maintain that love? Is it a crime to show someone how much you love her? Is it a crime? Is it
Oh my goodness. Wow. What a ride. Baby. Will I ever stop loving it with you?
Same question I ask myself in my mind all the time. I love you.
I love you more. You're so sweet. Hold on. That's my phone.
Alright.
Yes. Hello, Jungle. Yes? Oh my goodness. Jeez. Dunga, nothing must happen to Raymond, okay? Yes. Of course we need him alive. Yes, we need him to sign the check. The dead do not sign checks. Oh, can you just listen? Even if we forge his signature, the bank will not approve any check above 100,000 naira without hearing from him for a second-tier confirmation. Oh, please. Fine. Revive him. Do whatever you have to do to keep him alive. Keep him alive. Keep him breathing. Okay? Oh, yes. Fine. Aloy and I will be on our way to that place now. Nothing must happen to him.
Baby, what is going on? What's happening? Baby, what's going on?
Tunga said Raymond almost gave up. After begging them for food and water for several hours, and they denied him.
You see what I told you? I warned you about depriving him food and water when you came up with the idea, but you wouldn't listen.
Oh, please shut up. Aloy, shut your lazy mouth up. Okay? Pick your dress. Dress up so we'll go there to ensure his survival. In case you don't know, there's a limit his family, friends and staff will believe our lies about his urgent business trip to abroad. And I don't know how I'm going to explain that.
Alright, let's get dressed.
Nothing must happen to you.
Is it a crime to fall in love and maintain that love? Is it a crime to show someone?
Oh, that's enough. Stop! And stop! Get out!
Go!
You're nothing but a fool. Are you now convinced that we are not here today to play? Or to plead with you as usual?
Straight to him.
Sign this check. Sign this check. Or consider every beating you've been receiving as just the beginning. If my lawyer here gets tired, I will allow Dunga and his men unleash the demon in them on you. And I'm sure you know what that means.
What was I doing thinking you were smart? What have you not tried on me? Is it hunger? Is it thirst? Is it sleep deprivation? You even threatened to kill, to assassinate every member of my family. Now what have you? Nothing. You are this fool. you have miserably failed to break my will. So what makes you think physical assault will do the magic?
That's because when it comes to pain, every human has his endurance limit. That's it. Fool.
Not an angry, cheated man like me. Both of you betrayed my trust. And he obviously took you and your lousy vagina away from me. God forbid that I should do anything that will make both of you have access to my wealth. I'd rather die than sign that check.
You're so stupid! Idiot! I hate you! I want you to teach this good for nothing the lesson of his life. Beat the hell out of him!
No shaking. Arrest you. We don't come. We don't come here to joke. I don't be trying to. We don't come here to joke. We mean business. We mean business. We don't come put this up. We don't come put this up. Tight man, let me ask you, I'm done with you. Go for that. Open this door. Where you? You don't open this door. Go, we're gonna ask for you. We're gonna ask for you.
Honora! Teresa! Hey! Honora! Teresa! Honora! Teresa! Honora! Teresa! Hey! Evo! Honora! Teresa! Hey! What is it? Hey! Evo!
What is it?
I am finished. I am finished. Oh! I am finished. Oh!
What happened?
I'm Robert.
I'm Robert.
I'm Robert. Didn't you hear the gunshot? Yeah, you go. Come down. Hey, these people nearly finished me. Everything is finished. They wrecked me. They took my car. Hey, they took all the millions I withdrew from the bank yesterday for my traveling back to Malaysia with Henry. Hey, everything is gone.
Calm down.
My car, the millions, everything.
Hold yourself. Please.
Mabel, we have gone everywhere in the village to raise the money to no avail. No one admitted having 1/10 of the money we're talking about. Only a wealthy money lender agreed to lend us half of it. But he's demanding for our families as collateral again.
Wait.
Which farmlands are you talking about? The ones I paid Knwng on your behalf to get back from him?
Yes.
Oh no. That's a no-go area. Don't you understand? The robbers wrecked me completely. In fact, those farmlands as things stand are the only things I have left. They are only assets I have left.
What? I don't understand, madam. What are you talking about?
In fact, I was coming to your house before you came in to give you this to sign. So please, go through and sign for me.
What is this about?
An agreement drafted by my lawyer to the effect that those farmlands are mine to do with as I like until you pay me back the money I gave Knwng on your behalf.
What?
See, don't think about that. Try to understand me. I am not trying to punish you people. No, God forbid I should do a thing like that. I'm just looking for something to hold on to in this crisis moment. As a matter of fact, if you don't raise that money to give me back, I'll be left with no options than to sell off the farmlands. In a day or two. Sign.
Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. Lost everything.
Mabel, when we arrived here, my wife and I told you we are here to ask for your help to raise 750,000 naira required for Henry's travel to Malaysia to start school. Yes, as scheduled. How could you?
Honora, if you don't sign this, I'll make contact and have Henry's admission and the visa cancelled immediately.
Hey!
Maybe are you signing?
Please. Please. Help us, please.
Help us. It's not about helping you. It's about me. I'm left with nothing. So this begging is not going to take us anywhere. You want your son to travel to Malaysia, isn't it?
Yes.
So how do I make it happen? How do I survive when I get to Malaysia? Please, are you signing or not?
Please, where can I sign?
Honora, are you asking me this? Are you daft? You went to school, right? You're well later, so why are you asking this? Sign there, please. Do you want to sign? Turn around. Yes. Sign there too. Hey. More like
and no sign of hope.
How about the...
Oh, come on, Onwa. I told you that the robbers wrecked me. I have been depending on Afunwa for sustenance since after the robbery. You can go to him. He could be of help, you know.
Afunwa?
Yes.
I don't get it.
What don't you get?
Afunwa, your brother.
Uh-huh.
Who recently returned from prison?
Exactly. Well, I gave him a huge amount of money to start a transport business. So, as we speak, Afunwa is doing remarkably well.
Wickedness of man have taken everything away from me.
Go to him. He could be of help.
Ouch.
It's not a matter of Chidi. John, just calm down.
Mabel directed you people well. You see, the saying that somebody who has a carryover today can build a flyover tomorrow is very true because it's happening in my life. It's so long I came out of prison. Just the money Mother gave me just about 2 months ago. But right now, like Wanya Nambara said, I am hiti right now. So lending you the 750,000 naira is not a problem. But the only thing is that I need good collateral.
Afungwa, everything I told you here is the truth and nothing but the truth. Without the farmlands your sister took from us, we have nothing in form of collateral to give you. Just help us. As soon as Henry starts sending money home, we will pay you 2 million naira cash. He promised to ask the Malaysian university to put his admission on hold for 1 year. That is after registration in the school in order to enable him work and earn money to pay you and my bill back. The people he asked said such a thing is allowed in the Malaysian university system. Please help us.
Well, that is good thinking by your son. But without collateral, it is no deal on my side.
Naibiko, help us. You are our last hope. It's just that place we are staying. Our compound is the only thing we have left. Nothing else. Biko.
I'm wasting your time. You are wasting your time. Ndị na-agbaziri ego adịghị ready egwu. Ị gaghị ụgbọ ego n'ụtụtụ a. N'oge ụtụtụ a. Ị ga n'ehihie. N'oge anwụ a. Ị ga n'abalị. Ịma na federal gọọmenti ji 4.8 billion ọsọmụwa ji ụgwọ. Is that how I'm going to learn? Biko, try ya na ebe ọzọ. Try ya na ebe ọzọ.
Onye ahụ bịara ịkụ anwụna.
Try ya na ebe ọzọ. Yes, the hunter, if he can shoot without missing, then he will fly without perching. So, my dear, I can't help you. Oh no, it's good. Oh dear.
Oh yeah,
Good. I'm my man now. I've said my mind.
The cry of the poor. Smile today, cry tomorrow. God come. Wickedness of men have taken everything away from me. Chimo, Bia. God of the poor.
Harry, go inside. Get me the Malaysian visa and the documents that I gave to you. Go and bring it. Auntie, why? I don't want to repeat myself. Go in and get them for me. Now.
Baby, we are not quarreling.
Why are you demanding for? I made the necessary contact. Paid the money required to get the visa and the document. Have you forgotten?
No.
So those are technically my properties. Unless you want to repay me the 1.2 million naira I spent to procure them for your son. Go in and get them. If I leave this place without those documents, I am going to call in the police, arrest all of you, and ask them to detain you indefinitely.
Please, ma'am.
Oh, please. I don't need this begging. Stop. Afunwa, stop this car and take me to the police station.
Please, wait, please. Anyway, go and keep the items. Go and take them for her, please.
She won't be where are you, God? Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. Lost everything and no sign of hope. Hey, oh, Kiju was said, God of the poor. Where are you? God of the poor. God of the poor. What's an awesome?
Very good. If you still want to travel to Malaysia, let me remind you that you don't have the eternity to get ready for it. And the rest of it. So that when I am going to improve our mission, we don't see you on or before 60 days. I am traveling back to the city today. I mean, right now. Call me when and if you raise the money.
Which of them? Is it the 750,000 naira for the travel or the 1.2 for the visa and the document?
Get the 750,000 naira first. Then, others could be sorted out.
Ma, please. Please, ma, help us, please. We are not an ungrateful family. Please, ma. Even God helps those who help the poor. Please.
Really? Afunwa.
Then
start this first.
Madam, please. 1 minute. Mother. Just 1 minute.
Honor, is this your daughter? Yes, and what? I will accept your proposal of the other day to give you the 750,000 naira.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
If you will add that if you fail to pay me as I agreed, I take her.
Huh? Take who?
Your daughter. She's good collateral. Yes, just swear to it before the elders and sign a document to that effect before the police, and the money is yours. You have the money.
Afonwa, that can only happen the very day I drop dead.
I would rather commit suicide than have you go into such an agreement with my name on it.
So how will you travel? Well, contact me if you change your minds. I was only trying to catch you.
You don't need to see my phone. Leave this place. Leave. Look at you. As old as you are. Is this not your granddaughter? Please, leave. Shameless old man. Look at you. Is she not your granddaughter? Wicked man. That will never happen in this family.
I'd rather die.
Oh. Smile today, cry tomorrow. God come. Wickedness of men have taken everything away from me. Chimo, Chimo, Bia. God of the poor. Chimo,
Ekwo refused to give us the money, even when I offered him this compound as collateral.
God. What have we done wrong? Where are we going to get such an amount of money within this short time?
I will do it, Papa.
You will do what?
Use me. Use me as collateral to get the money from Afunwa.
Why?
Look over here, everyone. That's Ekene's grave staring at us. If the first son of this family could die while working for the good of this family, then why should I sit back and watch such an opportunity with huge potentials that could end our suffering slip away from us simply because someone wants to use me as collateral?
For God's sake, Nancy, you are a human being, not a piece of property.
No, Mama. No. Only human beings with dignity are called humans. The rest of us are nothing but subhumans made so by poverty. Let's stop living in denial of what is clearly a reality if we must change it. Papa, I will do it. Let God be God. It is time to end the suffering. It is time, Mama. It is time. Mama. Hey. Papa. You look tired. Come and sit down.
Stop. Oh no. We, the elders of Amachara in Indo-Abbas community, intervened to secure your release and that of your wife. Just because the people asked us to.
Thank you.
Wait, I have not finished. They did not do that because they believe you were innocent. Neither do we. Honor her. Ensure that our great daughter Mabel is released from the hands of Malaysian authority.
We know nothing about...
Shut up, you bad luck.
What did you just call me?
Bad luck! That's what you are. You and your whole family, you are bad luck. Even that one lying in the grave. Anyone that comes in contact with you meets with one misfortune or the other. You are complete bad luck.
Stop saying that.
Look at Mabel. What did Mabel do for you to visit her with such evil? Just for trying to help you? What did she do? Which is a wizard.
Mazikalo.
Shut up, Oberamus. Small witch. Junior witch. Listen. If Mabel does not safely return to this community, Amachala, Ndi Obase, 3 of you will be ostracized from this community.